I've been thinking a lot about beta readers recently and how if you're a really successful author and you have access to a publisher and people want to read your stuff, it's really, really easy for you to get hundreds of readers signed up, ready to go. And if you have that sort of system set up, then it can be pretty useful because a couple of hundred people or 1,000 people like reading your book, if you find that 80% of them feel a certain way about something, then that's a particular sample size that's useful for you. When you're an indie author and you don't have those resources, it can be really tempting to go down the same road, to get one person or two people to read your book, and then to put a lot of stock in what they say because, if one out of the two people that read your book say something, then that's 50% of the people that have read your book. And so it can be really tempting to take that information as verbatim, especially when we're writing in a vacuum and maybe we have some self-doubt over the things that we're writing. And so just hearing this feedback for the first time, it's easy to just read it as true. And that's why I think that if you're an indie author and if you don't have access to a very, very large number of beta readers, there can be some advantages, especially if you're very, very specific with what you ask for. But for the most part, it might be a bit of a waste of time and it might end up doing more harm than good. I have some other thoughts on beta readers as well that I'll get into in the next couple of videos, but let me know what you think in the comments first.